Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your PIN code on Paxful mobile app. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Every time you open up your Paxful application, you will be asked to enter your Paxful PIN code. If you don't remember your PIN code and you are stuck in this page, simply tap on the Forgot link at the bottom of the screen. Now it'll ask you to sign out. Simply tap on Sign Out and you will be redirected to the main homepage of Paxful. Now, you can tap on the Sign In button and enter your email or phone number followed by your account's password. After typing down your correct email address and password, tap on Sign In and you will get to choose a new PIN code for your Paxful account. Type down the new PIN code that will be easier for you to remember next time and re-enter it once again. And there you have it. You are inside your homepage of Paxful account. That's how you easily reset your PIN code on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.